I've been watching a few Jamaica Scorpion games in the ongoing regional Super 50 tournament, and it struck me again. How the hell Jamaica gets a vote list in a cricket? All of a sudden, it's sinking in again that compared to all these smaller territories, over the past decade or so, Jamaica has become the regional beating stick at all levels of cricket. We are the biggest territory by far. We have the biggest player pool by far. And the highest profile administrators by far. And we have the most voteless teams by far. Yes. We have terrible at youth cricket, women's cricket, 50 overs cricket, and 4-day cricket. And the obvious question is, how come JCA boss Mr. Wilford Billy Haven, now in his 4th term, is so comfortable in his seat as the non-performing JCA president? I don't understand it. How can Mr. Haven be such a poor president, invisible and inaudible president, and keep getting re-elected term after term after term? There is no shame, no bruised ego, and no punctured pride as Mr. Haven continues merrily on his way, overseeing the failure of Jamaica's cricket. Mr. Haven, put fun and joke one side. Why you tell me? Who are you, Obia man? Yes. You Obia man, but Mr. Haven, when there, when we can't find it, when there? Yes. Between me and Mr. Haven. Who are you, Obia man? Tell me.